Welcome to a breathtaking 78-plus acre retreat in Tennessee, featuring mountain views, flowing creeks, Cherokee National Forest frontage, and a handcrafted lodge-style home surrounded by the natural beauty of East Tennessee. Hidden behind stone gates and tucked into a peaceful countryside setting, this extraordinary property offers privacy, recreation, and endless possibilities for a future family compound, equestrian estate, retreat center, or private mountain sanctuary. As you enter the property, rolling pastures, mature trees, and the soothing sounds of flowing water immediately create a sense of peace and seclusion. 4 bubbling creeks wind throughout the estate, while approximately 3/4 of a mile borders the stunning Cherokee National Forest, extending the feeling of wilderness far beyond the property lines. Multiple elevated building sites, framed by mountain views, create incredible opportunities for future development or expansion. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the direct access to pathways leading toward the famous Appalachian Trail, along with open land perfect for horseback riding, hiking, gardening, and exploring. The property already includes established areas for beekeeping, as well as thriving native vegetation, including blueberry bushes, blackberries, chestnut trees, holly trees, and blooming mountain laurel. At the heart of the estate sits a custom-built lodge home, crafted using wood and stone harvested directly from the property itself. Designed to blend naturally into its surroundings, the home showcases soaring vaulted ceilings, hardwood flooring throughout, and a stunning wood-burning stone fireplace anchoring the main living area. Large windows frame the surrounding mountain landscape, while warm wood accents create a timeless, rustic atmosphere. The spacious layout includes a main-level primary suite with private bath, a custom kitchen, dining area, laundry room, second den or optional third bedroom, and an additional full bathroom. Upstairs, a loft overlooks the living room, while a second bedroom offers peaceful, elevated views of the property. Outside, a covered porch overlooks a well-fed fountain and the relaxing sounds of the nearby creek. An oversized barn adds even more functionality and potential for livestock, horses, workshops, or storage. An adjacent property is also available, creating additional possibilities for multi-generational living or guest accommodations. This Tennessee retreat combines 78+ acres, mountain scenery, creek frontage, forest access, and handcrafted lodge living into one truly unforgettable legacy property.